Did you know this? Why you attract the same type of person. You've been there, right? You meet someone new, everything feels great. And then, 3 months in, you realize, wait, I've been here before. Maybe they're emotionally unavailable. Maybe they're unreliable. Maybe they demand too much. It's like you have a type, and that type always leads to the same outcome. If you've ever felt doomed to date the same person wearing a different mask, stick around. The truth is, it's not bad luck, it's not random. It's your subconscious blueprint, and understanding it is the key to finally breaking the cycle. Let's talk psychology. We all carry an invisible roadmap in our minds for relationships. We call it a love map, or an internal working model. This blueprint isn't formed during your last breakup. It's forged in your earliest, most intense relationships, primarily with your childhood caregivers. If, for example, your early experience taught you that love was conditional, that you had to earn attention or constantly suppress your feelings to maintain peace, your subconscious cataloged that dynamic as familiar. Now, here's the crucial point. Your subconscious isn't trying to hurt you. It's trying to heal the original childhood dynamic. It's not seeking a new happy ending. It's seeking a redo of the old dynamic. If you felt unheard as a child, you unconsciously gravitate toward partners who are poor listeners. Why? Because your deepest, most primal hope is to reenact that scene with this new adult partner and, this time, finally get the validation you missed. You're subconsciously running a pattern, desperately hoping for a different, happier ending. It's a tragic, self-sabotaging loop because you're choosing actors who are perfectly cast to deliver the same old lines. Let's look at 3 quick, common cycles rooted in childhood dynamics. 1. The unheard cycle. If you had to be quiet and compliant, you might seek the charismatic, dominant partner, then feel constantly silenced, repeating the feeling of being unheard. 2. The perfection cycle. If your caregiver's love was based on achievement, you might attract critical partners, constantly chasing their approval and repeating the feeling of not being enough. 3. The rescuer cycle. If you had to take care of an emotionally needy parent, you attract partners who are unreliable or in constant crisis, repeating the feeling of burden and exhaustion. Recognizing which feeling you're repeating is the first step to breaking the pattern. To break this cycle, you must bring the blueprint into the light. This is where the real power lies. First, identify the core feeling. Ask yourself, what is the feeling I'm repeating in every relationship? Is it abandonment? Is it criticism? Is it being undervalued? Second, find the source. Trace that feeling back to a specific dynamic in your childhood. Third, choose the unfamiliar partner. Your love map is attracted to what feels familiar, even if it hurts. You need to consciously choose someone who feels safe or even a little boring at first. Someone who is consistently kind, clear, and emotionally available. Your subconscious might protest, it might say, "This isn't exciting." But that quiet, stable feeling is exactly what growth looks like. Your past doesn't have to be your relationship future. When you become conscious of the pattern, you gain the power to choose a healthier relationship and, ultimately, reparent yourself. Stop trying to finish the old chapter with new people. Start writing a completely new story. Tell me in the comments, what cycle did you just realize you're stuck in? Let's talk about it, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.